Discover 25 diabetic-friendly breakfast ideas tailored to help regulate blood sugar levels. These delicious options include ingredients like eggs, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Scrambled eggs with vegetables. 2 eggs, 1 cup mixed vegetables. Calories, 200. Carbohydrates, 10 grams. Greek yogurt with berries. 1 cup Greek yogurt. 1/2 cup mixed berries. Calories, 200. Carbohydrates, 20 grams. Avocado toast on whole grain bread. 1 slice whole grain bread. 1/4 avocado. Calories, 200. Carbohydrates, 15 grams. Veggie omelet. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup chopped vegetables. Calories, 250. Carbohydrates, 10 grams. Overnight chia pudding. 2 tablespoons chia seeds. 1 cup almond milk. 1/2 cup berries. Calories, 250. Carbohydrates, 20 grams. Cottage cheese with sliced fruit. 1/2 cup cottage cheese. 1 small fruit. Calories, 150. Carbohydrates, 10 grams. Spinach and feta crustless quiche. 2 eggs. 1 cup spinach. 2 tablespoons feta cheese. Calories, 200. Carbohydrates, 8 grams. Smoked salmon and cream cheese roll-ups. 2 slices smoked salmon. 2 tablespoons cream cheese. Calories, 180. Carbohydrates, 5 grams. Whole grain oatmeal with nuts and seeds. 1/2 cup cooked oatmeal. 2 tablespoons mixed nuts, seeds. Calories, 250. Carbohydrates, 30 grams. Low-carb protein pancakes. 2 pancakes made with almond flour, protein powder, and eggs. Calories, 220. Carbohydrates, 8 grams. Quinoa breakfast bowl with berries and almonds. 1/2 cup cooked quinoa. 1/2 cup mixed berries. 1 tablespoon almonds. Calories, 250. Carbohydrates, 30 grams. Vegetable and cheese frittata. 2 eggs. 1 cup mixed vegetables. 1 ounce cheese. Calories, 220. Carbohydrates, 8 grams. Green smoothie. 1 cup spinach. 1/2 medium banana. 1/2 cup almond milk. Calories, 150. Carbohydrates, 20 grams. Sliced turkey or chicken breast with whole grain crackers. 3 slices turkey, chicken. 5 whole grain crackers. Calories, 200. Carbohydrates, 15 grams. Tofu scramble with vegetables. 1/2 cup tofu. 1 cup mixed vegetables. Calories, 180. Carbohydrates, 10 grams. Whole grain toast with nut butter and sliced banana. 1 slice whole grain toast. 1 tablespoon nut butter. 1/2 medium banana. Calories, 250. Carbohydrates, 30 grams. Berry and spinach smoothie bowl. 1 cup spinach. 1/2 cup mixed berries. 1/2 cup almond milk. Calories, 200. Carbohydrates, 25 grams. Egg and vegetable wrap. 1 whole wheat tortilla. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup mixed vegetables. Calories, 250. Carbohydrates, 20 grams. Low-fat cottage cheese with sliced tomatoes and cucumber. 1/2 cup cottage cheese. 1 small tomato. 1/2 medium cucumber. Calories, 150. Carbohydrates, 10 grams. Baked avocado eggs. 1 avocado. 2 eggs. Calories, 300. Carbohydrates, 10 grams. Sweet potato and black bean hash. 1/2 cup sweet potato. 1/4 cup black beans. 1 egg. Calories, 250. Carbohydrates, 30 grams. Whole grain cereal with almond milk and berries. 3/4 cup whole grain cereal. 1/2 cup almond milk. 1/4 cup berries. Calories, 200. Carbohydrates, 30 grams. Salmon and vegetable scramble. 2 eggs. 2 ounces salmon. 1 cup mixed vegetables. Calories, 250. Carbohydrates, 10 grams. Apple cinnamon quinoa bowl. 1/2 cup cooked quinoa. 1 small apple. Sprinkle of cinnamon. Calories, 250. Carbohydrates, 40 grams. Almond flour pancakes with sugar-free syrup. 2 pancakes made with almond flour. 2 tablespoons sugar-free syrup. Calories, 250. Carbohydrates, 10 grams. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice and guidance based on individual health needs and preferences.